Thank you for visiting ABI and taking your time to watch our product videos. At ABI, we have over 100 years of accumulative experience in the ground preparation business, bringing you, the customer, both innovative and traditional ground prep tools that make a difference in your daily life. So let's take a close look at the ABI 3-point chain harrow. Chain harrows are commonly used on property maintenance for several different things. Most commonly, they're used in arena maintenance to drag out and smooth out the top surface of a horse arena. Footing is very important to the safety and the soundness of your horse. And a tool that has been used throughout generations has been the chain harrow to drag out the top surface. Another common use is for pasture maintenance, to knock down piles of manure in order to break it down and allow the UV rays to disintegrate the manure quicker and to turn your pasture faster. Dragging a chain harrow through a pasture also will lightly aerate the ground, which will allow more water and more air to get in to promote healthy growth of your pasture. A third application that many people use harrows for is to smooth out their gravel roads. Now, we don't believe that a chain harrow is going to loosen your gravel road to the bottom of your pothole, which really is necessary to effectively grade a gravel road, but if you're going to just smooth out your top surface and move some material into your potholes, a chain harrow will effectively do that, and many people will use a 3-point chain harrow for that purpose. The quality of ABI goes way beyond just our products. Our customer service, our sales force, and the way you are treated as a customer during the buying process is second to none in the industry. You see, we believe in building long-term relationships with you as a customer, so we can provide you a lifetime of quality products and services that will make a difference in your life. At ABI, we believe that we need to be different than our competitors, and therefore providing you a better piece of equipment. I want to take a few seconds here and just share with you a few of the features of our products that make us stand out and separate us from our competition. The ABI chain harrow is 8 foot wide by 4 foot deep and attached to a tubular frame with a 3-point hookup. It's very important when using a chain harrow to have it attached to a 3-point hookup. It makes it easier to use, more convenient to get back into the corners of arenas and pastures, allows easier transportation to be able to just pick it up and set it down, gives you more strength and more control. But what really separates us from most of our competition is that our hookup points come with double ears. This allows for easier hookup and less maneuvering of the tractor arms. Most tools come with one ear with a pin that's welded to the ear. Therefore, you have to finesse and move the arm of the tractor and fight with it to try to get it hooked up. With the ABI attachments, every one of our tools comes with double ears. You simply line up your bottom arms and slide right back into the hookup position. One of the most beneficial features of the ABI chain harrow is that the harrow itself is reversible. By simply removing 4 bolts, flipping the harrow over and bolting it back together, you have either an aggressive or a standard position. So if you're just smoothing out the top of a very soft arena, put it in the standard position. If you're wanting to really break up your gravel road, take the 4 bolts out, flip it over, put it back together, and you have a very aggressive chain harrow. Attention to detail is the difference between the very best quality and just good enough. And attention to detail is put into every ABI product. So why should you buy from ABI? Why should you buy direct? Why not go down to your local tractor store or your tractor supply store and buy an implement from them? The number one reason is knowledge and expertise. I don't know about you, but I don't want to buy a ground preparation tool from a high school student. I want to buy something from somebody who knows what they're talking about. And that's who we are. We are ground prep specialists with over 100 years of accumulative knowledge, specializing in ground preparation tools. This is who we are. This is what we do. On top of that, we have very little overhead. Unlike your local tractor store who's got a building and property and a large staff to feed, we don't have the added cost of dealers nor the markup that dealers have to put into their tools. Even if you were to find a similar product at the same price, maybe even less, the quality is not going to be there, because what ABI does is we take the savings and we put it into a better product. So you're guaranteed the best product for the best price. And if you have any questions in the buying process, feel free to call our toll-free number at 877-788-7253 and speak with one of our qualified equipment specialists. So now it's time to make your decision, and I'm confident that by now you know that the ABI products give you the highest quality for the dollar. So buying from ABI is as simple as clicking the button on the right. Your credit card will be processed by Google and is extremely secure. In fact, ABI doesn't even have a record of your credit card number, so you can rest assured that your credit information is safe with Google.